The Context tab has an option to limit the words that appear in the Context tab to only selected parts of speech. The most important words in a given passage are usually the nouns and verbs. So let's see how to view only nouns and verbs in a Hebrew passage. Set your search version to a Hebrew morphology version. On the main menu, choose Search, then choose Search Version, find the Hebrew category, then find the WTM and click the radio button for it. You can also change the search version by typing WTM on the command line and then hit Enter. Now click on the Context tab. The Context tab displays all the words in the current pericope, book, or chapter that I am viewing in the Browse window. To limit the words displayed in the Context tab list box, right-click within the list box. Then choose Context Word tab options on the Context menu. Uncheck every part of speech except noun and verb. Then click OK. Selecting these checkboxes not only removes the words from the display that occur frequently, but also words that usually have less significant exegetical weight. And when you're ready to return the Context tab to view other parts of speech, just right-click within it, choose Context Word tab options, and recheck any parts of speech that you wish to display.